Hi guys, just making a quick video for you guys, whoever is struggling with hyper blinking because of the LEDs they installed for bullet turn signals. So I just happened to come across with this problem, and also it leaves you with a red key, and I'm just never good with any signals on a dash. You can see that it's gonna go away, but as soon as I turn the turn signal on, it's gonna come back, but I'll show you that later. First I want to show you that the left side, which I have fixed. So I want to go right ahead. I'm putting this on, not a hyper blinking problem over there. What I did is went around. I had few resistors sitting around at home, and I just wanted to try if that's gonna work out, which it did excellently. And I've seen lots of people telling you that putting a load resistor specifically for Harley, V-Rod, NightRod, whatever, yeah, that was kind of $100 plus. I'm not sure if I wanted to spend that much money just to fix my turn signal. So I went ahead and I just did something on my own, which I don't see on the internet regards to Harleys. And I thought I'd share this with you guys and make a video of it. So one thing I've noticed, which I've known before, once the load resistors are working, they get, well, reasonably hot. And one thing I'm not comfortable with leaving that just along with my wires. So what I actually went ahead to do it, I got something like a wrapping sheet, which is heat resistant, and I'm just gonna wrap it around it and put it away. That's it, simple as that. So what my setup was, and so many people have said on V-rods they just need the front LEDs, load resistor, but that's not the case. Mine is a 2013 V-Rod NightRod Special, and you're gonna have to put load resistors on both sides, front and back. So now I'll go ahead and show you the hyper. There you go. It just already, the signal has already come as a key, and there you go. The hyper flash is there. And like I showed you before, that will not do it. That is a perfect blinking, you know, the momentum. Also, like, this is like, I've done like extensive research on it, and I have seen all the videos which are out there. So somebody's gonna ask, oh, this is a load resistor for a car turn signal or whatever, right? But hey, guess what? This works. This works perfectly fine. I can still touch it. I've been using it for a little long now, over a minute or so. But when we're riding a motorcycle, we don't use it pretty much for like, you know, a minute or so. It's gonna unclick itself after like 20 or 30 seconds anyways. So that's that. I have a setup for a brake, turn signal, and running light. So there you go, guys. If you guys have any questions, leave me a comment. I'll try to answer. And just to sum up the whole video, all you have to do is find your purple cable, which is a turn signal, black for the ground, and the blue one is a running light. So you don't need to touch about the running light. So I have connected the load resistor to the black, which is ground, and the purple, which is turn signal. So if you were to install LEDs just in the front, you'll just need it in the front. And if you're installing the LEDs just at the back, you'll just need the load resistor for the back. But in my case, I've done both back and front, and I had to do it for both sides. So if you were gonna put it on one side and not do it the other one, it's still gonna hyper flash. So in order to fix that, you're gonna need to put load resistors on the both sides, back and front. There you go. That fixes your problem. I hope everybody thinks that the video is helping them. That's about it. So if you guys do have a question, like I said, do leave comments, ask me anything, and I'll try to help you guys out. Thank you.